Ever thought about an in-house plate cutting machine? In order to keep production times flexible and short. This is possible with the good price-quality Acros cutting tables from Pritec. As a manufacturer, we deliver directly to you as an end user, from our factory in the Netherlands. So no middlemen. This means short lines of service and fast support. When the machine is connected to a network, we can monitor you to help you get back up and running quickly. Our new machine line is equipped with collision protection, torch height controller, hybrid stepper motors, a touchscreen PC including drawing software. DXF or SVG files can also be imported. The waterbed can be filled with plasma fluid. This prevents corrosion in the waterbed and on the plates that are returned to storage. This software has been specially developed for operators who have no experience with CNC machines. You only have to go through a few steps to start cutting. Our plasma cutters can cut from 0.5 to 40 mm with a maximum speed of 8,500 mm a minute. Special cutting gas is not necessary. Compressed air from a compressor is all that is needed. And the cutting torch is easy to maintain. This keeps operating costs low.